Hi there. In this video we are going to talk about PHP string operators. So there are two string operators in PHP. One is concatenation and another one is concatenation assignment. What is concatenation? So it is used to join two strings or variable or multiple strings or variables, and concatenation assignment. I'm sorry if my pronunciation is bad for this, but yeah, concatenation assignment is to append strings to the existing value or variable or string something. So let's try to understand how this works. First, let's see concatenation. So let's create a new file. Now let's say I'm going to take a variable called name, and I'm going to add my name, and another will be surname. So we have these two variables with this value. Now let's use concatenation to join this string. So how to join this both string, as we have assigned this string to the variable. So let me take a new variable and let's join using concatenation. So now in the result we will have this both value together. Let's try to run and see. String operators, and as you can see we have this both string joined together. So there is no space between name and my surname, so you can do something like this, or if you don't want to do this, then we can add this space between these two variables like this. So now we are concatenating name space and surname. So you can do as much as you want like this. So this is how concatenation works. Now let's see how concatenation assignment works. Now let's remove this and let's see. Let's take this variable as str. Now I want to add one name into str. So what this does, this will take this value and append this value into the previous. So now this will become Bunty. Let's take another str. Now I'm going to take a space. So now it will become Bunty and space. Now let's take str dot equal to my surname. So here it will become Bunty space Pandari. Let's try to echo this str now. So as you can see, it adds all the strings into the previous string. So this is how this concatenation assignment works, and this is how you can join two different strings in PHP. So if you have any doubt or question, please write down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching the video.